All right. Here we go. Rocks. What's up? How you doing? Thanks for being here. Let's get this started. Let's go. Yo, how you guys doing? Rocks, you rock. Lame joke, I know. Or is it? Anyways, hey everyone, part 3. Here we go. Am I too loud? Okay. Yeah. Part 3, here we go. What are we doing? Bonobo project. So again, if this is the first time you're here, yeah, welcome. I usually stream stuff about Webflow because Webflow is life. Rocks just moved into my house. How you doing? Doing well. Sunday morning. Gotta finish up a project. And yeah. It needs to be done by today. Well, at least the first draft. So let's see how fast I can do this. How's your new house? Congrats on the house. Where are you at? That's getting a house is no joke, man. Good job. But yeah, so what I'm doing is this. Let me show you my screen. Nope. There it is. Yeah. Let's close that. Okay, so yeah, Bonobo Revolution. So this is a project that my wife had to do for a client, and because she needed a fast turnaround time, she gave the project to me to build quickly inside of Webflow. And so here's what we did on the first and second day. The first day we just built the desktop version of this. Second day, which was yesterday, I just spent an hour. So building the page on desktop was 3 hours, and then making it mobile was 1 hour, but in between then I was like explaining how I'm doing stuff and actually, talking with you, chat. And usually I go really fast for simple builds like these. I mean, here's the static mock. It's not too crazy. It's the design that makes this. And so my wife designed this. I'm building it out. Yeah, it's not too crazy. Really, it's not too crazy. So during this stream, I'm probably not going to explain a lot of stuff unless you want me to. So I'm just going to be in my head. And just going at this. Going as fast as I can. Okay? So 5 pages. CMS collection. Interactions. Let's do this. Where should I start? You're near the Rocks is at near the capital of Canada. Nice. All right, so where should I be right now? I already did this. Okay. Okay. Navbar after the user scrolls past the fold. Wait, no. That's wrong. That's supposed to say pop-up. Okay, so when does the pop-up happen? Oh, okay. Join the Bonobo Revolution. So I'm guessing that pop-up is connected to this button at the nav. So let's make a custom. What you call it? Yeah, a custom modal. Gotta get in here. Come on. 24K Media, what's up? Mosh, what is up? Can we share anything here? Yeah, you can share. Was it hard to learn Webflow? I've tried and stopped numerous times due to intimidation, lack of knowledge. All right, here we go. Life is hard to learn. All right. And Webflow is just another part of life. If you want to learn it, go for it. There's lots of free educational tools out there, including university.webflow.com. It's free. Go at it. If something does not make sense, please don't be afraid to ask questions. Go to forum.webflow.com. Ask your question there. No matter how basic or beginner you think your question is, there's a lot of people who are in that same phase. And so everyone else wants to hear that same answer. And there's a lot of people who want to help out. So ask your question there, okay? Yeah. Was it hard to learn Webflow? For a person who started as a web developer just doing HTML and CSS and a little bit of jQuery, it wasn't that hard. I was able to take that fundamental knowledge and put it into Webflow, and it was a breeze for me. Now, if you're coming from a graphic design level, then learning HTML and CSS fundamentals may be a bit tricky, but Webflow is here to help. It's a visual tool that can help you understand what this HTML, what the CSS is actually doing, because it's rendering it in real time. Okay? Yeah, just like Rocksrock said. Bulletin, what's up? Parker, you're back. Parker, what's up? To save you from work, your wife's mock-up said the pop-up should come after the user scrolls past the fold. It says Navbar. Unless she wrote something else. No, when clicked, a pop-up will open up. That's what she's talking about right here. Parker. But thanks for looking out. Yeah, I got confused too when I read this. But it says Navbar, and I think she just copy and pasted this right here, which is the second thing I'm going to be working on. So let's go ahead. Let's get into my project. Let's go. I don't mind if you ask questions. I don't mind if you want to show me something, but I got to get this project done. All right, so custom modal, ready to learn? Here I go. And I'm probably not going to fully explain everything. Just follow along because I got to get this done. Oh, and I pressed A again. I got to get away from that. Can you guys hear the music? Okay, yeah. Oh, I pressed A again. Whatever. I have to make this responsive. I have to find the right. Oh yeah, I can just use VW on both. Let's try this. Oh, sorry. Thank you. Yep, working on it. So what I did was I created a newsletter modal. Thank you, Bulletin. Yeah, I'm on the right screen. Okay, so I made it a newsletter modal, set it to fixed, full 99999. So make sure it's on the top. Gave it a background of black, but with the alpha of 72. And now I'm just making this modal circle. Oh, one more thing on this. I did display flex, and then I just aligned it and justified center. And then the circle, width and height, 50 VW, background, blue. Okay, so I've used that style before, so let me just get back onto it. Let me get that and see what happens. Go. Mm. See, I'm not a fan of just underlining the input fields, because once you type in the once you click inside the input field, that placeholder text goes away. So if you forget, what am I supposed to type? Then you have to click outside of the input field just to see that placeholder again. So no on that. So I'm just gonna keep this as label. So there's times when you need to explain to your designer about UX, so they can learn for future projects, and just do them a favor, just explain to them and then just do it, and then if they say no, I want it like this, then there's some push and pull, and if you don't win, you don't win. Just keep going with life. You can't win everything. What are you using for interactive calendars? I'm using nothing because I've never created an interactive calendar, but welcome, dumb dev. I don't think you're a dumb dev, but that's your username. This needs to be percentages. Actually, no, just email. Where are y'all from? Just wondering. I always get kind of like when I'm using like straight pixels and not percentages, but I'll get there. Figure it out. Okay, something like this. Let's just put the monkey. Charlotte. Oh, I'm gonna be there this week. What up? Are you gonna be at the Dum Dum? Are you gonna be at the AIGA workshop that I'm gonna be doing? Yeah, I did a workshop for the AIGA in Raleigh, and then that team told the people at Charlotte about the Webflow workshop and how awesome Webflow is, and they're like, oh, we need to invite him, and so yay. Denton, Texas. Is that near Austin? I'm not familiar with Texas, but I was at Austin for the Webflow Austin meetup. Belgium, welcome. Awesome. Newsletter Modal. So yeah, if you have any questions, you're like, oh, how'd you do that, Nelson? Just let me know. I'll be more than happy to explain. But yeah, instead of explaining every little thing I'm doing without you all asking, I'm just gonna, be in my own head doing it. So that needs to be overlapping just a little, but it's like responsiveness. See, this is where I get kind of like, ooh. Yes. Is circle the right choice? I need to ask my wife about this one. Alright, I'm just gonna make the functions for now. Deal with the smaller things later. 40 miles south of Oklahoma. Oh, okay. Okay. I want tickets. Tickets, are they available? AIGA Charlotte. For the workshop, it's max 25, but the talk that I'm giving, why Webflow is super awesome, is free, and they're not putting a limit on how many people are coming. Well, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 20 people signed up. So go at it. Yeah, limited to 25 participants. So go at it. Hope to see you there. All right. So we have our modal done, but how do you close the modal? That's the thing. So I need an X. So let's go ahead and put a text block in here and call this. Oh no, not 50. So what I do for the X is I just look for, I Google search ASCII multiplication, and writing an X like that is not as good as the multiplication sign. The multiplication sign looks so much better, and it's centered. Okay, cool. All right, here we go. Now with the interactions, I'll be the old bald guy, kind of like my avatar. Or are you like Avatar, the last airbender? He was old and bald. I hope some of you got that reference. All right, so here's how you close the modal. So how I work backwards with interactions. Now that the structure is done, I can just go interactions on first click on this guy. Close modal, and then I select the newsletter modal, and let's go ahead and set the opacity to ease out. Set the opacity to 0 so it fades out like that, and then right after that display none, so it goes and then display none. All right, so that's done. And so with this I can set this to none, and then this nav link, this is what opens the modal. Cool. And then I click on this plus hide and show. So the display none is the initial state, just to make sure. Also, the initial state is going to be opacity 0. And then when I click on the button, the hide show turns into Flexbox. Flexbox icon is different from the styles panel. I need to tell the team. And then after it does the hide and show, opacity goes to 100 with the ease out, and it goes like that. So it's not jarring just like an open close. There's some animation to it. And we are done with creating a modal. So go right here, clicky, nice. And let me just double check to make sure that I can use these interactions on every page. Okay, cool. That's what I want to see. I want to see the paintbrush because I want to do all elements with this class rather than just affect the selected element. Because if I affect a selected element, it's going to be looking for the exact element with that exact pre-made Webflow ID. And so if you go on another page and it's the selected element that that exact element is not going to be on the page. Even though there's going to be a copy of it, it won't work. So that's why class better than selected element. Cool. All right, navbar. So we did the modal. Let's do the navbar. Again, I'm going through this really fast, and I just want to make sure that I get all the functionality done, and then we can scrub through again and then perfect a lot of the stuff. All right, so on scroll, when I scroll down, the logo should appear, and I already have the logo right here, as you can see, and all it is yeah, opacity 0. I think the logo needs to be bigger. No? Okay, it's good. So what I can do is I'll just set that to 0. Nobo brand, like that. How do I want to do this? So when I pass, this is what I'll do. When I pass the hero, so when I get to here, when I pass the hero completely, that's when the brand shows up. Cool. Easy sauce. Here's how you do it. Make sure I select it on hero, the thing that I want to add a trigger to. When scrolled out of view, I'm going to start backwards. So when I scroll out of view, I'm going to start animation, show brand. And so now I'm going to find my brand. Wait, oh, my brand's here. And I'm going to set the opacity to 100, and that's going to be ease out. Cool. And then that's it. How come it doesn't seem like it's animating? All right, so I'm going to make this 0 and set the initial state. That way I can force it. I want to see some animations happening. There we go. That's what I want. Cool. We'll do it like that. Now, is it better to just fade in or slide down? I want to do slide down. Much more better. Let's delete these two. Let's go back to styles panel. Delete that. Cool. I'm going to go back to my interaction. Is this a real project or more of a tutorial? This is a real project. My wife, this is one of my wife's clients, and they're rebranding the Bonobo Revolution. I think you can Google it. Yeah, Bonobo Revolution. That's Dr. Tamsin. She's really awesome. But yeah, Dr. Tamsin actually spoke at the UN. I forgot why. But yeah. You can watch that video to understand more. But that's her. Let's go. What was I doing? Show brand. So go like that. Let's go brand and move set initial. Cool, just like that. I want it off. Well, let's see how this is gonna look. Move to 0%. Let's do this one. That's too fast. That's cool. That's cool. This is looking good. Yep, thank you. Vomp. Cool. Oh yeah, welcome back, Nikki. Okay, so when I scroll out of view, so when it's completely out, so let's see here, like that, and as I scroll down, yep, yeah, buddy, that's what I want. And when I scroll back up, so what I can do is duplicate this, and I can call it hide brand, and now I just work backwards. I just delete this one, oh, nope, I delete this one. Yeah, delete this one. This goes back to -160. Set that off, and then in out quint. Same timing. There we go. Cool. And this is gonna happen when it's like 30%. So let's try it. Going down, going up. Cool. I know there's some overlappings happening. We'll deal with that later. Yeah, like this top blue pattern, what is it doing? 1001. What if it's just 1001 happens? I think that's fine that the ladies are on top like that. Or no, this better is like that. There's a texture is different. Can I make the Bonobo brand go higher? No, I cannot. Yeah, that's weird. Alright, we'll fix later. A lot of things to fix, but let's get this done. Interaction of that is done. Alright, sweet. Moving on. Next thing. Cool. So now that we're done with that, let's go to the next page. We're gonna make a whole new page. Oh, actually, let's check. Oh, we need to check responsiveness for all this good stuff. All right. Nav container shouldn't be 60. Should be like 0. There we go. Why is there a big space to the left of... Is that part of the image? Oh, it is. It's like there's kind of that... Okay. There's like this texture here on the left. Can't see. Not sure I like that. Will I have... If I do this, will I have... No, I don't have horizontal scroll. Okay, I can cheat. Yay! Cool, something like that. Cool, so when I scroll up and down... Oh, I didn't style that yet. Ooh. Okay, ladies. Ladies, seriously. How come no one's listening to me? Center. Thank you. So dark. Why is there like... Why isn't it centered? There we go. contact seems too close to the button. There we go. Maybe the button should be like rounded. Because it's well, all their buttons aren't rounded, so I should just keep it like that. Yeah, okay. Cool. Alright, so if Navbar's done, I can go ahead and right click, create symbol, and we're good. Hey puppy. Alright, cool. Newsletter modal. This doesn't make me happy. Watch. Blah. Blah. What is that even? I think it needs to get darker because this bonobo is getting lost. Well, if I blur everything in the background, will that hurt a user's performance? I mean, user's computer performance. I feel like that pop-up animation is really slow. No, not enjoying it. Hold on. Be right back. All right. Hey, Peter, what's up? Yeah, this is going to be a long stream, so glad you can join. You don't have to stay for the whole thing, but yeah. What did I do? 0.2. Cool. Yeah, much faster. I gotta figure out this. Okay, whatever. This is what I mean by using straight pixels. I don't like using circles. All right, I'm just going to overrule and be like, no circle. No circle. Come on. do we really need a circle for this? I know it goes with the other shapes and everything, but this is a form. You don't need circle. It just makes it... Circles aren't responsive. So, no circle. Until my wife tells me, yes, need circle. I'm like, oh, okay. But we can have rounded corners. Please. And so that way I don't have to set a height. The height is just based on the padding of the content. How come such a big difference when you preview? I know, right? It's because the big difference is there's no style panels and no navigator panels. That much better, right? Yeah. Like that. Boom. Cool. What, dude? What is up? Dude, full circle. Life full circle, right, Wadude? Oh my god. So if you don't know who Wadude is, he is a cool fellow who's been following this YouTube channel and the Webflow YouTube channel, following my live streams, and now he works for Webflow. I mean, that is so awesome. I love meeting fans who get over to the other side and they're such fans of Webflow, and then they help out the other fans. It's like, so good. So good. But yeah. Alright, so I think we need to do see, look how, okay, now you stop it. There we go. Oh, look how nice that looks. Heck yeah. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, okay, so we have some issues happening. Sweet. That's responsive design for modals. Boom. Sweet. Now that we have that done, we can right click on this, create symbol, and call it newsletter modal, because this is going to show up on every page. Done. Eli, what is up? Welcome back. Hold on. Alright, so we're gonna make a new page. Easy. Duplicate. Call this about. Boom. Done. Alright, about page. So, same thing. Let's see here. Navbar, though, has a... Wait. Yeah, it says podcast, but no. It's supposed to be highlighted on about. It's okay. I understand what my wife is trying to say. This is the current state of the nav link. Or nav link current state, yeah. Seems like the gap is bigger on the right than the left when you use mobile preview. Not sure what gap you're talking about, but we'll look into that later. So this is 2-column. Got it. Cool. So this hero container. We're on the home. No, we're on the about page. Cool. Delete that. Delete that. That's good. Container. No padding. I think this one needs padding. Because it doesn't have the bonobo babes on the left. Yeah. I put bays. You know what? I'm gonna leave it as bay. No. Let's say 50%. So it's aspect ratio. Ooh, it needs to hit the bottom though. Well, we'll figure it out. Hold on. Need to put another div. And then, cool. That's what I want. Okay, about time for revolution. Wait, this is hitting other ones. I know where that is. Just take those 3 lines again. Just reuse a lot of the stuff. Just reuse it. Okay, so this is going to be H1 because that's the name of the page. So, how come that's not going black? I mean, the font weight should be black. Fine, I'll just do it like this. These lines look thicker. Thick. Actually, no, this should be. It's the Pawn 5 song. Pawn5.com. Pawn5.com. There we go. What? Oh. Doing the parent. Cool. Or I could have done it here. No, I'll just do child H2. It just looks weird when it's like that. And you push it to the right. I'll change the name again. Max width 550 or something smaller. Like, oh no, I need the whole thing though. Can I do this and go to the right? I want it to go to the right. Okay, that's what I want. Yep. Cool. Done. Is it really 550 though? No, it's 460. What? Thank you, Anthony, for being here. Really been loving these long forms. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah. So, to me, when it comes to education, there's like people learn in different ways. You have people who love to read articles and blog posts, tutorials, and written form. That's cool. There's people who like to watch short form, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute videos, and then apply what they learned and try it on their own. And these things are very general. And when I see long form, I think of it like watching a sports game, you know, esports, traditional sports, whatever. And you're being entertained, but subconsciously you're learning, you know. And then you're like, I want to try that. I want to try that move. Like, I want to try that musty flick. Do you know what a musty flick is? Rocket League. I can't get back into Rocket League. It's I got to the point where it's too stressful. Because I'm like, why aren't my teammates rotating? Interesting that there's no red line here, but she uses a red line here. Whatever. Wait a minute, this is not... Nope. This needs to be this needs to be rich text. That thing again. Have I used this before? This layout? I think so. It's just this flipped. Wait, what happened to you? Why are you not centered? Did I mess up something? Probably. Well, we'll see. Okay, anyways, moving on. Oh wait, that's supposed to be different. Hello. Red circle with that stuff. So where else have I used red circle? That one. Boom, boom, ba-dum. I'm gonna call this real bonobos. And then circle. Let me just take this one. Rinse and reuse. That's it. Rinse and reuse. Easy. I'll just put happy protesters. Wait, did I duplicate that? Okay, yeah, I did. Cool. Boom. Cool. So that, but just flipped. Don't I have that? That's flipped. Yeah. I could just do this. Whoop. Done. Cool. This is supposed to be yellow circle. And then there's a red crowd. Oh, okay. Another swiping effect. That's gonna be cool. So if you didn't see, I did a swiping effect on the homepage. Check this out. Bam. So I'm gonna do the same thing with the about page, but instead of up and down, it's gonna be left to right. So it's like okay. Is this targeting yellow circle? Yep. Oh wait, it's going outside of circle, so I don't need absolute. Cool. I'll just say happy group. And you can go above 100%. Can you? You can't. Come on. Is it because of Flexbox? I want Flexbox so I can center it vertically. Can I do it here? No, I cannot. No, I cannot. Remove. Okay, fine. Oh wait, max 100. That's why. If I do none, haha. Boom. I are genius. Ugh. What? How in the world? Ha. Figured it out. CSS, you're not the boss of me. I got you. On scrolling, there's some lines going over. Yep, we're gonna figure that out later. It's that z-index thing, because it's more complicated than I thought. Because some things need to be on top of other things, and I'm like, I think it's complicated, but when I actually dive into it, I bet you that I'm gonna find the answer and be like, oh my god. It was kind of like that moment when I was trying to get the flag. This flag on top of the navbar, and I was like, I can't do it. What the hell's going on? Someone said, why don't you just give it like 1001 z-index? And I did it. I was like, if this works, and then it did, and it felt stupid. But that's what learning's all about, right? You feel stupid, you find out the answer, and then you feel stupid if the answer is super simple. But then you learn, and that's life. And then move on. Ugh. Something like that. Cool. Whoa. So why are you guys here? I mean, to learn or just to hang out? How long you been using Webflow too? If you are using Webflow. I love talking to the community. That's why I do what I do. This needs, oh, interesting. I can't put two H1s on the same page. Alright, I'll just do it and then I'll change it to a H3. If you want, I can leave. No, stay. No, it's up to you. If you have something more important to do, then yes, please leave. You know, I want to make sure that, because your time is valuable, and I want to make sure that you're getting something out of this. So this shouldn't be grid. This should just be row and then row with flex, row with flex. Doesn't have to be grid. Doesn't have to be complicated. So I'm just gonna delete this whole grid. Gone. Let's put, oh, flex child. Okay. Oh, that's why. Let's take that out. There we go. That's what I want. The rebels. I'm learning, still getting the hang of it. Cool. Like to see this video. Awesome. Working on my own Webflow site, watching you on the big screen. Just wanted to see how you went through a site design here. All the awesome things you have to share. Oh, yeah. Something awesome. No Code Revolution. No Code Revolution. I mean, conference. Revolution. No Code Conference. November 12th and 13th. Oh, it's going to be so awesome. As much as I've been using Webflow for the past 2 years, I'm still learning from each live stream you do. Thank you. And I learn from other people's live streams and other people's videos, and I'm like, what? This is awesome. Everyone has something new to share. And I learned this from one of the people that comes to my meetups. She said, even though you may hear the same lesson over and over again, there might be a time when one of those people who are telling a lesson gives a little tidbit that you didn't think about. And so, yeah, everyone has a different point of view on how they teach, or I mean, has a way of teaching, and then you can learn from different ways. Anyways, combination of hanging out and learning for myself. Okay, cool. As long as you all are learning, I am glad to stream. Let's see here. So look at, this is short, except for the text, and so let's just duplicate this so I don't F it up and just call it V. Actually, no, let's give it a max width. Cool. And center that. Boom. Sweet. Max width of 550. Actually, it should be 460. Huh. I'll change it. There we go. Cool. What happened? There we go. Center that. Center that. Cool. Something like that. Seems like it needs to be shorter. Yeah. It's like it ends at the E or something. That's really short. No. Wait, the music stopped? It did. Going back up. How come that didn't change? Confusing. Oh, because they're different combo classes. 370. And that's a H1. I need to make this H3. Cool. The rebels. All right, so flex, 2 column, easy sauce. Okay, cool. Rebel photo. You didn't give me an icon. Where's the email icon? She forgot this. I'll just put a red circle for now. She didn't give me that. I don't need to put it for now. Just leave it. What happened? That's why. Oh, 24K media. Thanks for subscribing, man. 20K, 24 karat media in the air. Okay, that was bad. Anyways, go on. It looks like it's the same thickness. Is this supposed to be 10? Maybe 7. Let's just make another red line. Ugh. Oh wait, I don't have to do that. I can do this. Just use bottom, border bottom. Oh, but the line is shorter than the text. Rawr. Never mind. Okay. Yep. Back up. Hmm? I want to reuse classes as much as possible, but then things get kind of hairy when I do stuff like this. I think all the red lines supposed to be 7. Let me go back to homepage. Well, that's the logo. I think they all should be 7. Yeah. 5 was too thin. Let me just get this. Yeah. Boom. Cool. There we go. Didn't I already use Rebel Row? No, I haven't. Aha. Cool. That was fast. Responsiveness. Let's go. Flip this. Cool. What's going on there? There's no padding. Oh, there's padding right here. That looks cool. Cool. What's up with this? How come so thin? But this is happening on 9 on other pages. 6 on this page. Should it be this thin? I think it should be this thin because it's a block of text. So we'll leave it as is for now. Cool. Flipped it. Oh, jeez. This right here. Okay, so this is way too... Where'd this third paragraph come from? Get rid of it. Where's all this space coming from? Is it this right here? Wait. There it is, the 90. if I get rid of it, what'll happen on the home page? Oof. There we go. Okay. Getting closer. Ooh. And where is... Okay, there it is. What's wrong with that? Yellow circle. I'm confused. Hold on. Okay, so the yellow circle and then the red circle. So red circle's there. Yellow circle is gone. What's... Oh, okay, that's part of the yellow circle. Okay, Huh, okay, cool. I was like, is it this one? Okay, progress. Wait, is that just show or do I... Okay, delete. Yay, progress. Nope, nope, nope. That's just a happy group. Nope. Cool. Cool, cool. A lot of space right here. What's going on? So we have 21 plus another 100. Do we need the 100? All right, if I remove this, I'm hurting the other pages. Homepage. Did it ruin you? No, not too much. Yeah, what the hell happened? Alright, so far so good. Move on, keep going. And then there's like a content. That one right too. HP content. Didn't I use that here? I said 39. So what if I do 40 on both sides? Like that. And then this red circle guy doesn't need much. Say 50. And that way I can use that same class and be happy. Yes, cool. Much smaller. Move on. Does this need to be smaller? Cool. Rebel photo. Oh wait, no, I don't have to do it to rebel photo. Could do it to... Could do it to rebel name. How come this doesn't look centered? What's going on? Oh, that way. Cool, cool, cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool. Responsiveness. Responsiveness. Hold on. Yeah. Be right back, guys. All right, back. Did that work? That be right back? Okay, yeah, cool. Sorry about that. I had to check on my dog. But we're good. Oh, don't be lonely. It's okay. I'm here, Parker. Yeah, so we're just breezing through this. Okay, so I messed up because I'm reusing this whole section. So this needs to be a symbol. So, newsletter section. Oops. It doesn't have to be caps. This one right here needs to be social section. And this is this shop, right? Oh, there is no shop. Cool. So, let me just, I can delete that. And then we have footer. That way, cool. That way I'm reusing stuff rather than doing it one by one. So let's delete that, but Command E footer. Cool. And then this right here, black section, social. Cool. And then am I using something else? Yeah, right here. This section right here, I'll put it over the social. And it's newsletter section. Cool. So that's on my home page and my about page. We're good using the same thing. And look at that. Ooh. Nope, not done yet. Yeah. That's not cool. I think this is okay. I mean, how many people have a screen that this skinny, right? Oh no, I only did it to her only. So this is what you have to do. You have to remove the combo class just so you can get to the higher one, and then put it back. And there we go. So it affects both. Cool. About page done. See? Breeze. Next page. That was about. Now we're going to go shop. Wait, how come this isn't at the bottom yet? This needs to go to the bottom. Can I? What? Interesting. Did not know CSS does that. That's an interesting effect. I need to put you at the bottom of the page. Oh, because this has a set height. Sweet. That one's done. All right, now for shop. This should be easy. Should be. Ooh, look at that. They call that a orphan in the world of type. Ooh. But I mean, we'll see. Okay, how come the uploading doesn't work when I drag in stuff? Come on now. All right, that's funny. Wait a minute. How come it doesn't have space? All right, I'm affecting the other one too. That's fine. Oh, it's a black section, huh? Not a blue one. Okay. Oh, it's yellow. Oop. Oh, it's not centered. Should it be P? Oh, what? So this is going to be a Shopify integration. So what? So I need to pull stuff. I need to What do I need? I've done a Shopify before. I'm just gonna do this for now. Just gonna do create a CMS with just the basics. So you have the name, and then price, and then because I've done it before with misadventure.co. Oh, we have categories too. Okay. Oh yeah, images. All right. And then we'll have some sort of Shopify thing, but I'll do that later because I don't have the Shopify login. All right, let's just create some dummy products. Okay. Okay, collection is created. Let's keep it going. Oh, wait. It's supposed to be in white. What is this then? Why is there 20 child title row? Oh, okay. Oh, it's not a title row. Ugh. So remove. Oh, okay, good. We're good. So this title row is relative. Cool. So let's get a let's get the black pattern. Do we have a black pattern that's upside down? We've never used one upside down. Okay, cool. Or here, Navbar. But what did I call it? Navbar pattern. But this is the stuff I need, so I'm just gonna call it bottom pattern. And then copy this, because I can use it here too. Okay, cool, it's there. This black section though. Okay, cool. Cool, so we need a white section. Cool. Something like that. All right. Okay. So no questions thus far in the process, or just like, everything makes sense? Oh, I need to put flex. Nope, not E. Oh, I need categories. And this needs to be relative, because this is gonna be aligned to top, and I need this to be sticky. So when I scroll down, sticky, like 50 pixels from the top. So when I scroll down, there it goes, it sticks. There you go. Cool. All right. Cool. Need to make it categories. Apparel. I wish there was a hotkey like Command N for new CMS item. So I can just or Command Enter, something like that, so I don't have to click on this thing. Stickers, buttons. Sorry if I missed it. I stepped away. Are they using Shopify? Yeah, they're using Shopify. For the cart checkout and fulfillment. Yeah, they'll be using a Shopify integration because all of their stuff is already there, and there's stuff that Shopify has that Webflow e-commerce doesn't have yet, like referral links, affiliate links, and stuff like that. Their data is already all in Shopify, so yeah, can't move them over to Webflow e-commerce. But one day when we have everything, it'll be easy. I'm just randomly choosing, even though these are all shirts. But again, this is all just for testing. Cool. All right, that's done. got our grid working. Categories. It's red and then a line. Let's go get that line. Can I get this? Okay. Red text. Linke already exists. Oh. Nope. Well, yeah. Font colors. Cool. Oh, they're bold. Okay, cool. All right, so I need some sort of card. Oh wait, no, it doesn't need border. This one needs a border. Product name, red line, and then okay, cool. So this needs like 20 or so. Why can't I click the number? There we go. Nope, that's not gonna work. How do I become a member of your Overflow community? Yes, Overflow. That is something that I stopped, but I'm bringing it back later. I'm trying to figure out the best way. What's holding me back from launching it is I'm trying to figure out the best way to do an upvoting system that can't be gamed using Webflow and maybe Zapier and maybe MemberStack. I don't know. And what I want Overflow to be, the new version of Overflow, is a resource for all the other community-made Webflow resources. There's like so many articles, blog posts, forum posts, videos, live streams. They're all scattered about on the internet. And some of them that I just stumble upon, I'm like, dude, that is so valuable. I need to keep a track. I need to track this. And plus, it'd be nice to have upvoting. So Reddit would be good for this kind of stuff. But like Reddit is not really like a catalog of resources. You know, it's something that should be new every day. I mean, it's more for like news and conversation, stuff like that. Whereas a resource where you can sort through based on category, like CMS tutorials or interaction stuff, Lottie stuff, stuff like that. So that's what I'm trying to do with the Overflow community. I haven't found time to finish it up. I want to do more. But yeah, thanks for asking. It'll come back one day. Yeah. Dang it. Love the content. You shouldn't add an email form to your site so you can update people who are interested when you're getting up and running. I'm pumped. Yeah, okay. I'm updating my own site too, so maybe when I'm done updating my site, if you haven't seen it yet, check it out. I used the Lottie. It was a Lottie fun. But yeah. So many things I want to do, so little time. And also need to do client work to help my wife. So, yeah. So many things. Want to do it all. Can't. Wish I could. Like, if I was like Dr. Octavius or something and I can be working on two things at once. Heck yeah. I could do flex here, right? I love that a Lottie too. Yeah, Lottie is insane. Even the creator of Lottie saw our videos, our education videos on how to put Lottie inside of Webflow, and he liked them. He's a great job with the videos. And it's like, oh yay, thank you, senpai. Sometimes I say stuff like phrases that the streaming kids say, and I always have to think, am I using it right? And then I actually look up stuff like, what the heck is Pog? What is No, there's Pog, and then there's something else. Like like Cray and I don't know. I'm trying to be young. I need to stay young. Cool. Cool. All right, so here we go. I noticed that I don't have. She didn't make any template for the categories, so I have to fill in the gaps. You know, you got to be nice to your designer. They can only think about so much. There's so many things happening. So what you need to do is just help them out. Here's how I'm gonna help out. Okay, like that. And so I can just easily duplicate this. Actually, no, close, discard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy all of these elements and then paste them into the category section. So product categories, let's start with the nav. Oh, nav, and then nope, shop. Yeah, child hero. Now it makes me think, should this just be tabs instead? I don't need to do this categories template. I think so. Let me just do tabs all in one page. That's not going to be good for SEO though. I need to make a second page, but like that second page, if this looks like the top, then I'll probably make this smaller on the second page. So yeah, let's go for it. This needs to be smaller. Because when you click on it, it'll look like you just jumped on the same page. So maybe delete this. Yeah. And then this would be the actual name of the, there we go. Yep, got it. And then we don't need this on that page. We don't need this on this page. Cool. And then this one right here, child hero container. Child hero, we'll call it shop. That way I can add 180 to the bottom. Nope, not 180. Is that too much in your face? Ooh, that's like really far down. Because there's no, need to fix this. So sidebar link current. So the current state should be red. There we go. Actually, this should be a little bit like... Nope. And then on hover, it shouldn't be red. It should be straight black. So that way... There you go. Akshay. Yes. Yes to what? Yes to what? And then the collection list will have a filter if category equals current category. Boom. Cool. Yeah. Feels like the mobile on desktop. Huh? Hey Arturo. What's up? Glad you're here. Glad you're back. It's really nice to see you. White section. Shop child. Something like that. Cool. Oh wait, why am I starting here? I need to do mobile of this. Really easy, but that's okay. Okay, that's not okay. Category sidebar. I feel like the sidebar needs to be at the top. So I'll have to flip this. Alright, so the only time I'm going to be using wait, why am I using relative? Who told me to use relative? Was it because I was going to do... Because maybe I thought I was going to... Oh, relative for the sticky. Yeah. For the sticky side. Let's just... Instead of relative... Let's just name it something more... specific. I don't know. Apparel section seems big. Oh, that's what... Well, I mean... That's what... She wanted. 2. Should I do 3? I mean, that's not that hard to do. Boom. Done. Yeah, 3. It's fine. Okay. Okay, so that's done. But here we have the problems. So let's shop flex. Boom. So it looks like tabs, though it's not really tabs. Actually, they shouldn't be spaced like that. It should just be like this. There you go. Keep it simple. That should be cover. Okay. And that's why I love grid. Mm, 30. Oh, look at that. I don't think categories should be sticky anymore. It should just be like that. They don't have much, so I mean, they can scroll up if they want to see it again. Or nah, make it better on the user experience. There. That's weird. That's weird at the top right there. For now, we'll just do it static. Yep. By the way, you asked if it was too much in your face. I missed that one. Yep. Cool. So now that's done. If I go to this, all those same problems should have been fixed. I think I'm missing something here. Yeah, like a class name. There you go. And I'm missing something else. One on this page, one on other pages. Shop Flex. Yeah, that's right. Product CL. I'm missing something. Oh. Because it's still sticky. It shouldn't be sticky. It should be static on that. There we go. There we go. Okay, so apparel, mobile, or all of these should just a little bit more. And apparel on the bottom should have red, say 3, and all of these should have 3 transparent. Cool. All right, keep it simple. 2, 1, sweet. All right, and newsletter, social media, footer. Easy. Newsletter, social, footer. Page is done. Next, please. So it's a single page. Ooh, there's related products. How do you do that again? Oh, related products is just the same category, right? I think so. Just, yeah. So copy this, moving on to products template. There you go. Navbar. We need to get the hero. have a problem with this. This looks too much like the regular shop page. So I'm gonna point that out to Jessica later. But oh, and she has a that's what I can do. Just have a black section without without anything. Because there we go. Let me just get this. Because look how it looks weird, just very bleh. So if I go like this, now it's cool. Let me go grab that top blue pattern. It's not really blue, but it's okay. There we go. And this child container shop. What if I just remove class? Cool. Then I can just take out this. Cool. And since there's nothing in here, black section, no content, I can just go like this. Don't need no stinking patches. Can I paste that? No, I can't. Ooh. Fine. What's it called? I have to rebuild this. But I don't want to. See, I go through some of the same frustrations you all do. It happens. It happens. I want to copy this, but I can't because... Oh, here's how you do it. Ready? I have to unlink anything that's binding, and then I can copy and paste. And there we go. And then I can rebind it. And there we go. Oops, I go back to the other page, and then I rebind it as well. And there we go. Black section. Cool. And then go back and forth, go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Take this. The categories are still there, so I'm gonna leave that there. And then this is not gonna have that. This is gonna have just a div. This can be a placeholder for Shopify wrapper. There we go. Don't need this. So we have the categories, related products. Let's go ahead and get that thing. That's too big. I need a... Or maybe I can just get this. Wait, that's a paragraph? I don't want a paragraph. Where's that song from? I like that one with the words. So if you're wondering what all this music is, it's Epidemic Sound If you subscribe like $15 a month, you can use all their music for your YouTube live streams and YouTube videos and whatnot. You just connect your YouTube account to their website, and so that way, no copyright strikes, and the music is still good. I mean, if I could, I'd be playing Daft Punk all day, or some remixes from my favorite Twitch DJ, Jovian. But he plays copyrighted stuff, and then the way Amazon does copyrighted music is way different than Google. So yeah, but this is still good chill music. Did I mess up something elsewhere? I hope not. Here, I'll just do this. Actually, I could just go like here, shop, so I don't have to recreate the wheel right there. Cool. The hell was that? Okay. This is a banger. Okay, where was I? Alright, so I'm right here, related products. Oh, okay, I'm done. I just need to add, yep, newsletter, social. Cool. News, social, footer. Sweet. Responsiveness. There's like a lot of room at the top. Why? Cool. That one's done. Next, podcast. So both shop pages are done. Time for podcast. And I think super simple. Yeah, let me just go to the about page and duplicate that one. About page. Podcast. Podcast. Ugh. Yo, but no boat. Oh, coming soon. So this, all this right here. Don't need it. Don't need it. Don't need it. I think there's a bottom one. Yeah. So just container. Text. Coming soon. Yellow bold text. I need to put a smaller container because text doesn't need to go all the way to the edges. Go in the center. Oh wait, I shouldn't do this. Make a new one. Actually, should I use just a regular container for this one? Yeah, I don't have to do that. I can just use a regular container. The old school. Bam. Yeah, there we go. Actually, maybe make it easier for the client. Rich text, and there we go. What else is there? Albums. Ultimate Where's like chill ones? Cruisin' Beats. This one? Too slow. Ooh. There we go. I need a. Oh, so no, the blue is gonna overlap that. So. Okay, cool. That was the easiest one. Oh wait, hello, hi. How come this container doesn't have padding? Come on now. Sweet. Podcast done. Contact. And then I'll probably let's just finish it through lunch. Yeah. Let me finish up this contact page. Take a 5-er. Take a 5-minute break. And then we're gonna go into interactions. And then and then the first version's done. So what's that like? That was 3 hours on, well, not really 3 hours. I'm gonna say 2 hours because I was talking too a lot. So on the first day it was like 2 hours, 2.5. Then yesterday it was 1, and then today started at 9-ish, 9:15. So 2 hours, about 3 hours, 2.5. Not too bad. So 5, 6. Yeah, 6 to 7 hours. Not too bad. But again, if you're a web dev, I'd like to see you build this from scratch in 7 hours. And this is why I love Webflow. I can just flow. Contact. Oh wait, let's do this too. Contact. Shop. Oh no, that's shop. Podcast. About. Cool. Oh, what about these pages? Interesting stuff. Interesting. How are we gonna put the star in there? Can I right click and make this a div? Oh, I tried. That's okay. It has to be a link block, not a text link. So I have to change it. Alright, I'll do that after this. Well, first thing, let's go ahead at least make the current red. And are they bold? They're kind of semi-bold. Let's fix that. Nah, let's make them bold. Alright, my computer is lagging. I'm probably going to end the stream, take a break, and come back and reboot my computer or something. Let's connect. Nope. There's a container too. Actually, it doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be flex. Even easier. even easier. Get a grid and just auto flow the stuff. Oh yeah, watch this. Form. So each of these need to be inside of its own div before I do the gridding. One, two, three, four, five. So 1, 2, 3, and then okay, cool. And then a message, text area. Cool. And then I press grid. Text area, span 2, submit, span 2, boom. But max width is like 300. Center that. Oh wait, I don't have to do that. I can do this. Boom. Not max width. Yeah, my computer's lagging. Cool. All right, leave it like that for now. Whoop. Company, email address, phone number, message. What happened to my div? Cool. All right, everyone. It's 12 o'clock. Cool. Just on time. I'll be back. I'm going to end the stream and I'll come back. I'll tweet at when I'm done with lunch. But probably 2 more hours. And should be pretty much done. Probably 30 to 45 minutes of interactions. Probably, I don't know, an hour just to fix small layer things, maybe spacing things. And yeah, that should be it. I should have my Sunday evening back then. It went faster than I thought. Thank you all so much. I'll be back, like I said, after lunch. Yeah. Follow me on Twitter. Somewhere, hold on. Where's that? Yeah, follow me on Twitter at the Pixel Geek, and you'll know when I go live again. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do so. Hit the notification bell, and whatever notifications you want from me, personalized or all. It's up to you. Thank you all so much. And if I don't see you for the rest of the day, enjoy yourself. Enjoy your weekend. thank you. And as always, make the web beautiful. See ya.